I'm a spider freak. Are you a spider freak? Good evening, everybody. It is Monday, and we love Mondays. Not really, but this Monday happens to be also mail day. We have a box. Look at this beautiful box. Canada Post, you rock. Look at that, eh?
Look at the state of that.
So, we don't really even need a knife. We're just gonna
pull it open and
might need a knife.
There's some knives in there.
Yeah. Just good tape. The only thing that held the box together.
Yeah, the tape's the only thing that held the package together.
Yeah. Inside the box is a bag. Inside the bag, T-shirt.
Yay!
Yay!
That was mine.
Arachno Dan.
That's my t-shirt. This one's your t-shirt. Well, this is the one I ordered for you. From Dan. Oh, that's awesome.
Look at that. Arachno Dan, you are awesome, my friend. Thank you very much. Very much appreciated. They look great. I don't care what the box looks like. The shirts are fucking fantastic. Have a great night.
We will be wearing them in our next live stream.
You betcha.
Don't let the love shine.